Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back, traders. It's your boy, the Forex Bully, Safe Trader Forex, coming to you with part 2 of my $1,000 Forex trading vlog journey. If you don't mind, please like the video, subscribe, and click that red notification bell down below to get updates on all brand new and exclusive content updated here on my YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the introduction. Hey, welcome back, trading family. As you all can see, I am currently negative $180 into my $1,000 Forex trading vlog journey. This is partly due to the fact that we received a thunderstorm about 3 weeks ago. This in turn knocked out my Wi-Fi for about 3 weeks, and because I was unable to sufficiently track my trades and not have access to my technical analysis, I just opted to group all these losses into one singular tab. Looking at my trading journal, you'll see I've deleted all trades prior to Wednesday, September 18, 2019. This was the day my internet was restored at my house. You'll see that I started with $843. My margin for this trade was $800. I shorted this USD CAD off of bearish continuation on horizontal support and resistance level. Looking at this trade, you'll see that I've also added a risk reward ratio tab. That is, I divided my profit target by my stop loss. I typically aim for trades with a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. In this case, this one had a 10 to 2, which is basically a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. That is, I was risking 22 pips on this trade. My stop loss was 22 pips, and my profit target is about 200. Looking at my daily chart, you'll see that I've marked the most relevant support and resistance levels. Zooming in, you'll see that I actually caught this trade off a 4-hour rejection on September 18th, right there. Set a sell entry stop right under this wick low. I was entered into the trade. You'll see I've actually came back to my price level. However, it never stopped me out. My stop loss is right above that recent high on September, what is it, 17th, right there. You'll see we got a rejection on my horizontal resistance level. I also got a rejection on my trending resistance level. You'll see that my stop loss is currently 22 pips or negative $67. I went ahead and marked several fib extension levels. I've marked them under this recent low because I'm expecting this trade to break this swing low. Looking to the right, you'll see I've marked my fib extension levels. This is just so I know when traders may be entering and exiting the market. Like I said, I only go for swing trades. I don't day trade. In this case, I'm looking to make a new swing low, so I'm only looking at the 786 level, which is 175 pips, or in my case, $525, and the fib extension one level, which is 230 pips, $700. If trade gets in this area, I may just bring my stop loss level down. I don't really plan on taking profit. I'd rather just have a stop loss set to where I can just get out the trade rather than miss out on money. And looking down here, you'll see this is my actual 52-week low. This is not a 52-week low, but it is the actual most relevant low. Our 52-week low is actually down here, but I figured this would probably be a better low to mark on my charts. This CAD Swiss trade is this CAD Swiss pair is another pair I'm looking at. We got a rejection off of our trending support level. If I wasn't in the trade that I'm currently in, I would set a buy entry right here above this rejection candle. Let me just mark that green. And I would also set my stop loss right here. I would look at taking profit. I'm gonna use my fib extension off that support to this resistance to this new low. I would definitely look at taking profit at this trending resistance level, which would be my 7.86 level. That's an area where a lot of traders get out the market. Let's see how many pips we could capture on this one. This is actually about 100 pips with a 50 pip stop loss, so that's a 1 to 2 risk ratio trade. That's pretty decent if you ask me. Like I said, I usually aim for 1 to 3. This New Zealand USD, we're actually in a 52-week low area. I had actually taken this trade before. This is one of the trades that I had lost on. I took this rejection candle and I actually got stopped out before my stop loss. My stop loss was down here. I got out up here around this area, and that's whenever I got into the USD CAD trade, which I'm glad I got out of this one. I saved about 34 pips on this trade. But I'm actually looking at this trade for the near future. I'm not sure if this is going to be a reversal. I'm expecting this pair to come retest this level, so I'm not really pressed about it. As with any trade, you should always check the news. I use Forex Factory. This is where I get all my major news events. I only look for high impact news. That's in the red. So if you're a new Forex trader, or if you've been in the game long enough and you just don't know how to check news, I use forexfactory.com. And as you can see, it updates you on different calendar events. Before I got out of here, I just wanted to show you all my account summary. As you can see, I do have $918, 79 of which is in my current trade, which is the USD CAD. My balance is 839.20. Again, I'm negative 156 currently. I've used $800 margin for a $40,000 position. My orders, you see my orders, looking at taking profit in 200 pips. Originally it was 222 and my stop loss was 22. So, I'm about what, 26 pips into the trade. Yeah, you'll see my activity. I haven't added any money, y'all. The best advice I have for all you traders out there is to stay disciplined, maintain your trading strategy, and don't let the market disrupt your trading psychology. With that said, I believe that wraps up this week's part 2 of my $1,000 Forex trading vlog journey. If you enjoyed this video and the content covered, please click the like button down below. That helps the YouTube algorithm get my video out there to more users like yourself. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click that red notification bell down below to get instant access to all brand new and exclusive content updated here on my YouTube channel. Peace. It's me, Super Friend.